Guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can text effect in CapCut PC. So for instance, I'm going to select this animation to the track and go to text, select default text, and you can adjust for the duration in the sunlight. Change for the text, change for the color, alright, go to animation, select loop animation and just scroll down until you find dance. Just download and add to the track and see for the final result like this. You can change for the speed for the animation, scroll to the slower, and scroll to the right for the faster. That's it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe. If you have a section, I will thank you so much.